Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from your crypto, Calm Visa card. We'll cover everything you need to know to access your funds easily. First, we'll explore the available withdrawal methods and important limits to keep in mind. Then, we'll discuss any potential fees you might encounter during the process. Finally, I'll walk you through a clear, step-by-step guide to ensure a seamless withdrawal experience. Let's get started and make managing your funds straightforward. When it comes to withdrawing cash, ATMs are your go-to. Your daily ATM withdrawal limit can be anywhere from $200 to $1,000, depending on your card tier. For monthly withdrawals, you're generally looking at limits between $2,000 and $10,000. Always remember that these specific figures are tied to your card's tier, so it's good to know your card's benefits. Make sure your card is activated and funded before heading to an ATM. Understanding fees is crucial for smart withdrawals. Crypto. Calm provides fee-free ATM withdrawals up to a specific monthly amount, which varies by card tier. If you exceed this limit, a 2% ATM withdrawal fee will apply to the excess amount. Also, be mindful of potential foreign transaction fees if you're withdrawing in a different currency. Always double-check the ATM screen for any additional charges imposed by the ATM operator before confirming your transaction. This helps avoid unexpected costs. Now, let's walk through the simple steps to withdraw cash. First, find an ATM that accepts Visa cards. Most major ATMs do. Insert your crypto, Calm Visa card, and carefully enter your 4-digit PIN. Next, select the withdrawal option from the menu and choose the amount of cash you wish to receive. Finally, review the transaction details on the screen, confirm, and then collect your cash and the printed receipt. It's that easy to get your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.